Happy Father's Day, Ndina. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Ọma bụ Maazị Chukwubogu. Daalụnụ. Ọ tekwa, unu ga-asị m na ọ tekwa. Biko, ọ bụrụ na nna gị nọ nso, biko gbanye hero. Gbanye mmanya hero ka ọnwa. If your father dey closer to you, please give him hero. Your father is hero. Happy Father's Day. I'm father now. I'm father. Can I wap your son in blog up now? If I didn't come, I'd be no bossing cat. I believe for example, Happy Father's Day. Father's Day. Wiki and in Father's Day. So you might be a melon nagi ubua. Not when your father die, you so ibido bubeu, ibido buboku, ibido bubatoro. Imaliva via melon nagi ubua, melon na ubua. Ndi Igbo, everybody, Nigeria, imaliva here melu your father now, more than do. So ndị nna na-emeke n'unu ibu onye nne ana meke na maka na ọbụla nne nna ma ndị ọbụkwa na ọbụla nna ụmụaka ya adịrọ ịghọtago ma Maazị Chukwubogu ana meke n'unu abịa na ụbọchị nke tata ka m jaa unu mma ka nkene ndị nna ka m tuo unu afa tata bụ week ndị nna ịmara ife afọ ihe melụ nna ugbu a. So I will be speaking English, I will be translating in Igbo and so let's go. So today is Father's Day. I'm speaking the English. You want to hear English? Today is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. This week is Father's Week. If you know what you will do to your father now, do it now. If you know the miracle, you child, you daughter. If you know the miracle where you go do for your father now, do it now when he is alive, not when he dies. You start killing cow, you start killing goat, you start killing turkey, you start apans. So Kevin Jinaka webe no bossing tetabu. Happy Father's Day. Kai noriano, kai gulikotano, kai mweliana angore. My name is Maazị Chukwubogu. Nkonye bukobia, nkonye rikobuana. Maazị Chukwubogu, simple. Ejikwa mu nanyu ngafuni ya eji moja. Eji hero. Oja na hero. Iwatago? Konye bukojiana. So kai follow ndị nnoja. Let's blow flute to ndị nna. Let's blow flute for Father's Day. Let's blow flute. If you can see affair. Audio is so okay, so nice, so free. I can now so I'm not a child, I'm not on TikTok. So I got new room up where about Gamasim nigga download. Give me key all with me. If you can say I'm the madam about not high BP. I'm a high BP. I'm a kupa keneme. I'm a quiz open. I'm massy. Taganiru, I'm one Enugu State to the local government area. No mwaga. Yes, I'm one Enugu State. So, them the Enugu State. They may they Jishike. So, today is Father's Day. All this week are Father's Day. Every week are Father's Day. So let's go together. If you know what you can do your father, make your father laugh, do it. For your father to laugh, if your father flog you koboko, if you look at your father, know that this man is a hero, he's a hero, but not this kind of hero. So everybody is listening to me. They want to know who is talking. I am Mazi Chukwuborg. I'm not fearing anybody. The lion doesn't fear, if he touches the lion tail, if he turns, he will deal with you. He will make you, So subscribe now. He say, as we're going to China. So let's go there. I believe in obodo tata. I go na nyonde mananya. People are so hungry, and people are so hungry. Daft hungry. I want to tell you people, if you know what you can do to your father for your father to last for you, do it. Do it. Do that thing for your father to please you. As long as you go, I don't say such a thing, I don't tell you to go and become a ritual. No, you're supposed to do your father something good. You're supposed to talk to your father in ways. If you talk to your father, you say this child is a child of God. This side is my child. If you do something what your father, if you do something good, your father will please you. He will give you a blessing before he or she goes off. If you do something good, your father will say, "Oh, my child, this child, I love this child. Oh, who want my child? Now you don't leave her. My child cannot do that rubbish." Now your father is talking. But if you do something bad to your father, maybe if your father said, "Oh, my son, I want you to don't go. If 6 o'clock p.m. please don't go out," and you mistakenly go out, otherwise that's 6 o'clock p.m. Your father will not talk to you. He will just laugh. So anything where you just go there, visit. Kidnappers, they will just kidnap you, girl. Your father cannot talk anything. Your father cannot. Your father can talk something, So I'm just talking, every life, every man have his own dream. So then now, my brothers and sisters, today is Father's Day. I wish you people happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. No one in. Na church bring them now. Na church bring them. Grass njalama na oka wetara ya ishelu kwenu mo ichene. Let's go there. Fathers, what is the meaning of fathers? Who is father? Onye nchori kowazirun e mana ambiagodun biruzo na enwe anwere. So onye bụ father obokwu ihe ndị Catholic na-eme o. No, that is not father. Yeah, for watakere ntorato. Ochie father. Ifuzi agadi nwoke, 99 years old man. Ona akpo watakere di 18 years. Maka no chi father noge. Ona akpozi father. Father, he say make sense? No, it does not make sense. It doesn't make sense that way. Obulu nebo obele nwa I not 20 something. Iwe funye torgato mani bu father because you are reverend father in the church. What okay ni torato. Okay ni torgato. Ana posigi reverend father. Hey, what a rubbish. What a nonsensical nonsense. What a nonsensical rubbish. Matakri makanoje chie father no noka because of church and greediness. Mwabuzi okenye toriato. Topialia isi na abozia reverend father. Oh, bless me. Oh, father, please bless me. Father, bless. Oh, rubbish. Fia. Nonsense. It doesn't make sense that way now. If you see truth, if you saw truth or see truth, talk truth, and let the truth set us free. Today is Father's Day. Oh, chill, Father, chill. My name is Mazi Chukwubogu. You know, ọ na-ewutekwa m na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kọ na n'ụlọ mkpọrọ. Ọ ka bụkwa fada. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is a father. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ebe ọbụla nọ, Chukwu gozibe. You have tried enough. Enough is enough. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, enough is enough. You have tried. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Okwuchukwu shall be well with you. You are father. I say happy Father's Day in advance. Some people may like, some people may not like because of greediness, and you know, it doesn't concern me. I may tell you like and share. If you like, you share. If you like, you download. You know when you say I'm going to buy. You know get low no Tom. I'm gonna one. Get out. Because I'm not a woman, I know we are weak. If I wear wig, they do it like this. They say, hey, social media is the chewing gun. You be sharing, you be liking, you be commenting. Hey, this your wig, this your eyelashes, no they straight. This your earring is big. They people are nonsense. They got nonsense. That kind of now when in a Maazị Chukwubogu page. That kind of Borean bịa ka go rie nụ ndụ ka nwere na nwere n'ọwa abụkwa n'ụwa anyị ụwa akwụkwọ ụwa Chukwu iwe nne your father man, your fucking man. I have come to drink hero with you people. Hero, be a hero, man. Gaga. Ụfọdụ hero agara agụkwa ọdụ na-ewekwa n'iwe. Hero bụzikwa 700 naira na side mo amazikwa maka side ọ bụrụ orugo 1000 ime ka mmadụ na comment section. Happy Father's Day to all the world, all the 7 continents in the world. I say Happy Father's Day. This week is a Father's Day. Full stop. Boom. I don't know about you. I don't know how you look at your father. I don't know how you disobedient your father. But what I want to tell you is any drop of word your father dropped for you before he dies, that word must come to pass. To a Maazị Chukwubogu or Chukwubogu. Any word that your father said to you or spoken to you or bless you, that word shall come to pass. You want to go? Maria Ba. Manoga kama na icholi gozi nwa gị iburu okenye na anonu icholi gozi nwatakịrị. Icholi gozi nwatakịrị were ọfọ asị ọgwa gị were aka were ọfọ osisi ọfọ ezigbo osisi ọfọ nọ na Igbo ọfọ na-emetụrụ ọbala ọfọ emelụ ngene ọfọ ọ bụrụ na ị na-eje ụka ị na-agọ mmụọ were ọfọ metụ nwatakịrị n'azụ gozie nye tukwesị kpelie ekpele ọma gọrịa ọfọ ndụ arụ isi ike ife niile ịchọ ka nwatakịrị abụrụ na ndụ kọrịa anya sụọ afọ n'ala ịsụ ọfọ n'ala. You have blessed the child. This child is an anointing child. Ọ bụghị ya anyị na-eje n'ụlọ ụka na ewelu mmanụ nri nke mmanụ granọtọị eji esi ndomi na obodo oyibo ewelu granọtọị na olive oil eji eye akwa na pizza na ya niile a na-eyekọsị ọkwa olive oil anyị na-eji eme anointing oil n'ilu na-ete n'onu na-ete n'anụ na-aṅụkwu aṅụ ma ndị dị ime na-aṅụ ọkwa olive oil ka eji eme ndomi na ebe n'obodo oyibo eji m esi rice na ọ na-atọkwa ụtọ iwere olive oil ọ bụrụ ya n'ụnụ ya ha bụ anointing chọrọ inwe anointing were nzu were oto were sacramental natural not a condemn oil olive oil good oil wey dey stay from our this thing and recycle ọ bụrụ olive oil were ya na-emete niile na-enye nọnị na si na eme anointing ka anyị ọnụ hero be a hero Oh, hero. Ila Wugon. Na. Nigeria hero. Rubbish. Happy Father's Day. You are there. Some people are stupid, some people are foolish, some people are rubbish, some people are, I don't want to autonomy simple. It's a holiday. Father's Day. DJ, nwere egwu nna anyị nwere ebe a. Okay, egwu nna, ọ bụ na nwere egwu nna ntilu na egwu nna. Nwere egwu nna wee pịachie, mana enwere ọnụ egwu nna na ọkụpụrụ na ogene. Afụgoro m na ọja mgboro ne ka m ga-afụsikwa n'ọja ka m manụ nke onye ji ka o ji ka ọkwa ya ka onye ji ka my blow fruit. I don't have any music to put for you people. Some people no go have patience to watch this time. Man, and they watch this time. They watch good. They will read this time. As you moon, nenya, unu kwasiri. Oh. Mazi Chukwubogo, and make a Happy Father's Day in advance. Happy Father's Day this week is a Father's Day. Thank you very much for watching me. Because subscribe, I'm gonna cause me with Ali. Also get with I can't make sure each year, Makana him give with Tozoga Oga Boyban with Dowa Gordon. You want a good cast in the Bible Bobelia. Chero, Babim. Get what I get kaka. What I go down no makine suele Mazi Chukwubogo. Because I got money subscribe I like you. I don't want chigi one. I don't want about again back here now. Pure man or pure water. Can't put this show. Here now. Is your mechanic Malaysia. Akazo dia. Jidia. Kemayam. Mbakaila no manyan. Opo hero. Obnobro hero. Obro Herod. Obnobro hero. Obro Herod. Obro hero. Man, obro palm wine. Did ever? Dalon makine suelem na Mazi Chukwubogo. Onwe editing name ever. Yeah, simple Father's Day. Very simple. Ndi nekene moon. Ren one. This is my YouTube channel. I'm making all your that I don't know. I got you. Oh, why I can't on YouTube? I didn't you came over. Oh, you can win 1 view, win 2 views, win 3 views, each in the millions of views. Why, Ben, and I'm money on you. Dalon.